Today I'm going to Mira Road for my bike servicing because there are some major issues. So there are multiple issues which I need to be which I need to fixed before the ride. So I just hit the highway and let you know. Okay, so there are multiple issues as I told you, so which I need to be fixed. So I need to check with the service center and also I emailed the guy. But let's hit the intro first. Boom. So welcome back to my channel M.K.Amin vlogs. मेरा नाम है सुमित. So as I was telling you that there are multiple issues which I need to fix in my bike before the ride. So first of all, the first issue which I am facing is the exhaust vessel sound, for which I have already emailed the service center. So they have got the part and that will be replaced, and I need to check with the chain sprocket as well, and also the mirrors. But as I can check, the fuel is very low right now, so let's go ahead and fuel up, and after that I can continue. So the fuel up has been done and air pressure is also been checked. So let's move to the service center, and as I told you that the issues, so there are the suspension issues, and also the which issues are there, yeah, suspension issues, mirror issues. Mirror has been pretty tight right now, so there are major issues with that as well, so I need to loosen up that. So let's go ahead and let's see what we get and what can be fixed at the service center, because in the lockdown most of the parts are not available. I've tried multiple places for the chain sprocket, but I haven't got the chain sprocket anywhere. So that is one of the concern which I need to fix. But let's see the service center. Okay, so I just hit the road and this is the Godbandar highway. Yes, so this is the Godbandar highway. Are kaka. So if I reach the service center, you enjoy the road, I catch you at the service center. So we have reached nearby service center, and in this lane there are multiple service center, and this is the Matric TVS. So let's go in and check the concerned guy who is going to work on my bike. Okay.
गाड़ी में वो सारे निकल चुके हैं, तो मैं आपको एक बार दिखा देता हूँ क्या क्या मैंने काम करवाया गाड़ी पर. So first of all, if you can see this thing, ये चेंज हुआ था जिसकी वजह से साइलेंसर से आवाज़ आ रही थी, the whistle sound which I was talking about.
So this is the part how it looks, which has been changed in the exhaust.
So ये डालने के बाद ये निकल चुका है पूरा, कोई whistle sound अभी नहीं आ रहा है. And the second thing, the vibration part of this, complete vibration पूरा निकल चुका है इसका. We also worked on the suspension. There were some issues on the pothole. I understand कि स्पोर्ट्स बाइक है, इतना प्रेशर नहीं लेगा, बट there was some issue, so वो भी फिक्स हो चुका है. And also the mirror, proper pretty tight to open that mirror. So काफ़ी बार मुझे ब्लॉग में कमेंट भी आया सर आपके मिरर क्यों बंद होते हैं. देयर वाज सम इशू विद द मिरर, सो वो अभी फिक्स हो गए. सो अभी से आपको मिरर क्लोज नहीं दिखेंगे. सो आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर दैट. एंड as I told you, I don't know I've told you or not, but this is the first vlog which is going to be uploaded of this year. So I will try to post it as soon as possible, and there will be no second part as of now. And everything has been done. I'm leaving for my house. So that was all for the day, and I really appreciate Rakesh Yadav, Matrix TVS Center, who has helped me with the servicing actually. He helped me with all the servicing thing which was there. He cleared out completely, and also the technician Harish and I think Vinay. Yeah. So Vinay and Harish were working on my bike. So they completely fixed it. Yes, I really appreciate that work. And also I want to appreciate Mr. Rakesh Yadav who helped me with all the things. And there is one more guy who was helping me, that's the customer care guy. His name is Swapnil. So yes, so everything has been fixed, and I'm ready for the next month ride. So soon the vlog will be coming up for the next month as well, and I will try to be to maintain the consistency for the vlog. And जितने जल्दी हो सके मैं ट्राई करूँगा व्लॉग डालने की, बिकॉज देयर वाज सम इशू विद द mic, and still I am facing the issue with the mic, but I have managed something. But if anyone can help me out with this, sure they can comment me or comment down below, or they can also DM me. There will be an Insta ID, they can DM me directly. Sure, I will reply for that, and I will really appreciate your help if you're helping me out with the motovlogging thing, because the original mic of SJ Cam, it's I think it's not suitable for SJ8 Pro, the action camera which I'm using right now. So that was all for the day. If you like the video, please like the button, like the video actually, and subscribe the channel. Sure, there will be more content coming out, so I will be keeping you posted on the Instagram. Signing off right now from Matrix TVS Center. Have a great day. Thank you.